So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY. Gotta drops on drops, according to CICELY. If they like that, share, subscribe, do that for CICELY. So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY.
I think what I want to do now is go ahead and paint the walls, because it's kind of, you know, dull in here. So let's just do an accent wall, y'all. Ooh, that thing is nice. So yeah, we're gonna take the artwork down and go ahead and put up, I think we're gonna do peppercorn. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the peppercorn up on the wall. Let's go. So since I think most people have painted before, this won't really be too much of an instructional, but I guess I'll pop up on the screen little tidbits that I feel like may be useful for anyone that is new to my channel. I just want to stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is CICELY. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys. I'm disabled by way of sickle cell anemia. So I felt it was important to come on here and show up for the disabled community and let you guys know, if you can do it, I can do it, through hospitalizations and all. I'm just showing you guys the tools that I'm using. So let me go ahead and pop on some music. Enjoy, you guys.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody,
You're the opposite of me, like sun and rain, and drama on the TV. It's full of pain, but we're the good part, the happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it, even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that, kinda like it like that.
So just a real quick DIY. I decided to go ahead and paint the previous mirror that I had in the dining room. I got this from my aunt, and although I loved it silver, I decided to bring in more of the pop color of blue. So you guys have to let me know if you prefer it blue or if you think I should put it back silver the way it came. If you guys are still here, I appreciate the love more than you'll ever know. I would really appreciate if you gave this video a huge thumbs up. It helps to circulate my channel, and I'm going for my goal of 2,000. So here's the before, and this is what the room looks like after. Again, this color is Peppercorn by Sherwin-Williams. Don't let being a renter stop you all from changing and upgrading your home. The first video was changing the chandelier. I'll go ahead and link that in our iCards above. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Home decor, vlogs and more, Home decor, vlogs and more, Home decor, vlogs and more,
According to CICELY.